Hello, Cannin users. This is Steven again, and today we're chatting about the hottest stock in cannabis today, and that's Tilray. TLRY, listed on the NASDAQ here in the United States. They are a company who has GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices, certification up in Canada, and they've been exporting everywhere. I think they're up to 5 continents they export now. So definitely one of the largest, hugest players in the cannabis industry, and recently listed on the NASDAQ, so we'll be able to interpret some of their hot trends right now. So let's jump over to the pricing chart. You can see we're looking at Tilray. Again, we're using the Hakanashi to easily see trends, and we're looking at the daily charts here. So you can see there's not a lot of data historically, but we are looking at quite a swing upwards. Tilray IPO'd at 23, spent some time at 22 before totally taking off, and they're at $62 right now, closing at 60. So quite the returns if you were in on that IPO or if you bought them initially. Again, we're looking at the Chaikin oscillator and the RSI. We're very familiar with these indicators at these points. You can see the RSI is showing us when something is overbought or oversold. In this case, we're overbought, and about August 20th we entered that point. At the same date, you can see the Chaikin oscillator really took off. So when those both happened, the price was at about 31. Since then, huge, a doubling of the price in just that time. Definitely in the overbought period, and huge implications in the Chaikin. But this week I want to spend a little time analyzing different time scales. So quickly I'm going to change to the 4-hour time scale and zoom back a little bit so we can analyze all of our data. And what you'll see is sort of the same thing, this period of overbought and a little more action on the Chaikin oscillator. You can see now about August 14th we had an acceleration, again August 20th, again August 24th, and each of these periods, look what happens on the pricing chart. That's the rapid growth of the pricing chart. So watch for slope changes in the Chaikin oscillator on different time periods, and you can make some more money. The day-to-day is showing these moves, averaged out when we didn't see any of this detail. But on the 4-hour, look what happens. There's an opportunity to take profit. Here's an opportunity to take profit. Here's a third opportunity. We're currently in a fourth opportunity. So very interesting. Even go down to the 1 hour. Usually I don't go lower than 1 hour. I don't mess around with the minutes. But look at what the detail we have now. The RSI overbought, and then a period of stagnant, overbought, and then a period of stagnant, overbought right now. And if we overlap this with the Chaikin, look what happens. Big period, stagnant period, prices holding steady. A change in slope again, and look at the growth. Overbought, now we're coming back down. So I would really watch the Chaikin for another change in slope, and probably about the same time the RSI is going to bounce off of this 70 mark, because this is a hot stock right now. There's a lot of hype. So watch for this trend to continue in the next couple of days before there's a market correction, and take advantage of it when you can. So thanks a lot. Have a great night, and have fun evaluating Tilray and keeping it in your mind.